Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to share with you a video on a new component that is found in the Envision Mathematics Series 2024. This component is called BrainingCamp Digital Manipulatives. And this component is actually broken up into 3 different parts. I'm going to show you the parts in 3 separate videos so that you may have the time to look and investigate the first part and then come to the second video and utilize what you learned in the first part to help you in the second video, and then again what you learned in part 1 and 2 to help you in part 3 of the video. All right, let's get started. So here I am on a Teachers Envision Mathematics New Jersey 2024 Grade 3, and I'm going to come over to the table of contents and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to select, of these 3 choices for BrainingCamp tasks. Okay, now let's see if I can get that without. All right, so BrainingCamp tasks. That's the first video of this. Okay, still need to move this over. All right. Okay, so what BrainingCamps are a group of manipulatives that are digital, that allow you to work with your students on concepts that you are teaching in specific topics and lessons within Envision Math. So I'm bringing you to the tasks first because I want you to see the different tasks and how they align to specific topics, so that when you're ready to use these digital manipulatives, you will have the task that is involved to use the manipulatives first before you're able to investigate the different types of manipulatives that they have. All right, so to see the alignment, you would come up here to where it says BrainingCamp Tasks, click there, and now you're going to see 3 pages, okay, of the relationship between the actual BrainingCamp task, which utilizes the manipulatives, the domain, okay, for this particular task, and the topic within Envision Math that this domain and the lessons that you would use to teach students the concepts within this domain, and the actual task that will help you teach your students this domain and these concepts through manipulatives. Okay, so let's just start with the first one. The first task is, if you're teaching topic 1, the first task here is called equal grouping of pastries. And where do I find this task? All of the tasks are listed here they're like task cards on the left-hand side scrolling content menu bar. So I'm going to open up equal grouping of pastries, and I'm modeling division, and I'm going to click on that. It'll give you the standards on the right-hand side of your page, and then I'm going to open in a new window. It tells me that I'm leaving Savvis Realize to go into BrainingCamp. It's actually just BrainingCamp PDFs that are found on their website. Okay, so this is actually a lesson plan for this particular task. So what is it giving you? It's giving you the objectives, the descriptions, the practices, what the students will be doing here. It's showing you kind of like a little screenshot of what the manipulative window would look like. It's telling you which manipulatives you would use, or you might want to use alternate ones depending on the level of students that you're teaching, or if they are students that are from a special program. And then it's going to give you instructions on how to launch the manipulative, give you instruction on what you would like, what you should have your students do, the actual tasks that your students have to complete. It tells you the solution, so you know to look at your students' task results. It's giving you some hints here. There are extension activities. And then there are some math talks here with questions to drive meaningful mathematical discourse and to help students make mathematical connections and to provide evidence of your students' thinking and understanding of this particular skill and concept. Okay? So now that you've read this manipulative task lesson plan, it's telling you that you probably need to know how to use these 3 manipulatives. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to find these manipulatives, how to play with them, and then how to receive a video tutorial on each of them so you have more of an understanding of these manipulatives and how to use them to accomplish this BrainingCamp task lesson plan or lesson. All right, so this has been a video on BrainingCamp tasks for Envision Math 2024 series. Okay guys, I hope this helped. Have a great day.